OpenAI just got caught testing something they haven't even announced, no press release, no blog post, nothing official. And if what's leaking out right now is real, this is going to change the way you use AI completely. We're talking about GPT 5.6, not the regular version, the pro version, the one built for the hard stuff, the one that thinks longer, goes deeper, and doesn't cut corners. Now, look, there's no official release date yet, no benchmarks, no pricing, nothing confirmed by OpenAI. But here's the thing, when a pro model shows up in testing before anything's even been announced, that tells you everything you need to know. They're not patching a small bug here, they're building something that's about to change how you work with AI every single day. So let me break down exactly what's coming and why the people who move on this first are going to have a massive head start over everyone else. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, first thing you need to know about GPT 5.6, the coding upgrades, and even if you've never written a single line of code in your life, this still matters to you. So stick with me here. Right now, if you want to build something like a custom chatbot, an automation, or a tool that handles tasks for you, you've only got two options. You either learn to code yourself, or you pay someone a lot of money to build it for you. With a stronger coding model, that whole equation changes. You just describe what you want in plain English, and the AI builds it for you. Think about what that actually means. Something that used to take a developer weeks to put together could take you a single afternoon. That's not a small upgrade, that's the gap between people closing fast. And look, I'm not saying you're about to become some elite software engineer overnight. That's not the point. The point is, you don't need to be one anymore to get the result you want. If you've got an idea for a tool, an app, a system that runs part of your business for you, the barrier to actually building it just keeps getting lower every single time one of these models drops. The people who win here aren't the ones who know how to code, they're the ones who know what to ask for. Now here's what's interesting about this one, long context. Basically, how much information the AI can hold in its head at once. If GPT 5.6 can read way more at a time, that changes content completely. Picture this. You've got months of YouTube videos, newsletters, and old posts just sitting there doing nothing. Right now, going back through all of that to find your best ideas is a massive manual job. But with a model that can hold all of it at once, you could feed it everything you've ever made and ask it what topics are working, what questions keep coming up, write me a new script that answers all of it. What used to take you weeks of digging through old content turns into one single prompt. That's not just saving time, that's an entirely different way of working. And honestly, if you've ever sat there trying to remember which video you talked about a specific idea in, or scrolled through months of posts trying to find that one thing that actually landed with your audience, you know exactly how painful that process is right now. A model that can hold all of it at once basically turns your entire back catalog into a search engine that also writes for you. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. And this next one, I think this is the biggest deal out of all of them, agent reliability. If you've ever tried using AI agents, you already know the problem. They start a task, get halfway through, and then just stop. Or worse, they mess something up, and you have to jump back in and fix it yourself. And honestly, at that point, you might as well have just done it on your own in the first place. That's been the biggest issue holding AI agents back this whole time. But if GPT 5.6 actually fixes this, and early signs say it's built specifically for longer, more reliable tasks, that changes everything. Imagine a system that runs all day on its own, doing the work without you babysitting it every 10 minutes. That's not a small productivity bump. That's the difference between a tool you have to manage and a tool that actually works for you. And think about what that means if you're running any kind of online business. Research, outreach, organizing your content, following up with leads, all of that stuff that eats your day without actually moving the needle. If agents can finally be trusted to run that in the background without falling apart halfway through, you're not just saving a few hours here and there, you're getting back entire days. So now let's talk speed, because this one's fast. If GPT 5.6 is faster and more efficient than what we've got right now, think about everything that unlocks. Right now, making one piece of long form content and turning it into everything else around it, the shorter clips, the posts, the follow up ideas, that's normally a full day of work, sometimes more. With a faster model doing the heavy lifting, that same output could take 20 minutes instead of a full day. And when something that used to take a day takes 20 minutes, you're not just saving time, you're producing 5 to 10 times more without working 5 to 10 times harder. That's the kind of leverage most people don't even realize is coming. Last one, and I think people skip past this, but it actually matters a lot if you're using AI in any kind of public facing way. As these models get more powerful, OpenAI is also building in stronger guardrails. And if you've ever worried about an AI tool saying the wrong thing, giving bad advice, or going off script in front of real people, this is the part that should make you feel better about deploying. AI, stronger built-in safety means you can actually trust these systems to run more of your business without you watching over their shoulder every second. That's the part that lets you scale without needing to hire 10 more people just to keep an eye on everything. Now, here's the thing I keep coming back to with all of this. The Pro version isn't built for quick, easy questions. It's slower on purpose because it's thinking harder. So you don't use Pro for everyday stuff. You save it for when the task actually matters. The big project, the thing you need done right the first time, not the thing you can afford to redo. That's the mindset shift here. It's not use AI for everything the same way. It's know when to bring out the tool that thinks the hardest, and that's actually the part most people get wrong every time a new model comes out. They either ignore it completely or they try to use it for absolutely everything and wonder why it feels slow or expensive. The people who actually get ahead are the ones who learn what each tool is for and use the right one at the right moments. So here's where we land on all of this. None of it is confirmed yet. No official dates, no pricing, no benchmarks from OpenAI themselves. But when a pro model leaks in testing before anything's even been announced, that's not nothing. That's a signal. And every single time one of these bigger, smarter models drops, the people who already know how to use AI in their business are the ones who jump on it first and pull ahead while everyone else is still figuring out what the update even means. So the real question isn't whether GPT 5.6 is going to be good. It's whether you're going to be ready to actually use it the second it lands, or whether you're going to be 3 weeks behind everyone else again. Because that's really how this whole AI game works right now. It's not about who's the smartest or who's been doing this the longest. It's about who actually pays attention when something like this leaks and who's willing to go figure it out before it's mainstream. Every model upgrade is another chance to widen the gap between you and everyone still waiting for permission to start. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.